Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I am here today to do my setup for 2020. I am using a new Dollar Tree planner, so I need to take out the old items and put in the new. And I also have a monthly from Dollar Tree. This is what they look like. So this is what the monthly looks like. Of course, I'm not crazy about the look of it, but I would like to play around with using it. I played around with it a little bit for 2019, but I'm going to revisit for 2020. So that's the monthly, and these are from Dollar Tree. This is from Dollar Tree. It is approximately B6 size. It has this little pink vinyl cover. They have other covers, and of course I will probably recover it. Yep, 5 by, it's a little taller than 7, like 7 1/4 ish, but basically B6 size. So all of this will probably remain the same as far as that's concerned. And then this is the weekly planner, which if you've been watching my Dollar Tree planner videos, you've already seen this. It starts with week 1, and so I'm going to take this out. So I'm just going to put that to the side, take that out. I'm going to take this out. This was my collab with Coco's Vision for Black Friday shopping. I'm taking that out. These are Simply Gilded journaling cards. I'm going to take those out for now. This is the folder that I made to put in here back in October. So I'm going to take that out, as well as this fall vellum. Take that out. So basically we're just left with the jelly sheets and the this cover here. I think it's supposed to be a dashboard cover. I've never actually figured out what it was supposed to be, but it came from Walmart, so probably need to stick that down once and for all. Then I went ahead and printed this pattern that is available on my website. It's actually part of a file that has Traveler's Notebook covers, but this pattern is I printed it on my laser printer so that I could come back and foil it. So I have the light pink. I did the month and the days of the week, so I could put the day of the week one over my weekly and the months over the monthly. That was my thinking. And so since I printed them on the laser printer, I can foil them. But I also have this. I might do it in rose gold. I could do hot pink. Is there a soft pink foil? I have a hot pink, but I think a soft pink would be nicer on this. But this is like a silver vellum. I actually ran out of the normal vellum, and this was the only vellum I had left, but I think it would make a nice addition. So I don't know if I'm going to use the pink or if I'm going to use the vellum. I think I might save these or come up with something different to print on this type of vellum. Maybe save those for another planner and use the pink. I just want to go all out with the pink. I think I want the pink. And if that's the case, then couldn't I just cover the outside with, I mean, these pink little vinyl covers are not that horrible once it's inside of the Traveler's Notebook. It's just that they're pretty flimsy and blah on the outside. So let's see, how would that look sitting in there? And it would be foiled. Let's foil it and see. Let's just do it. So I have this hot pink foil, which I'm not sure about. I have this gold foil that I could use, and I have the rose gold. I'm going to use this one with the rose gold. Let's try rose gold. Let's just do that. Not straight, not up against the ruler. I really need a new blade. Ugh. Oh, I messed that up. Totally messed that up. But luckily it's around the edge. Do they sell X-Acto blades at Home Depot? Because I definitely need to go buy some. Ooh, did I cut the paper? I hope I'm not making a mess now with all these layers. Too late now. Got some crinkles in there. But otherwise, I think it's okay. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay. That's really pretty on that pink. Can you see it? Let's trim off the... Oh, I need a new blade. I guess I'll use my new paper trimmer. And trim off. I'm still not 100% comfortable with this one, but I'm going to trim off the border. I need to cut off a little bit more. See how that cut that slither off? Yes. It's bulky and big, but I think it's totally worth it. Now, let's see. I'm going to mark the height. Make it a little bit taller. Oh, that's a lot taller. Yeah, see, I gotta get used to where the line is on this thing. So the line is the edge of the plastic. That is very pretty. I don't know if it's coming through. That's so pretty. So I'm going to use some more of this double-sided tape that I purchased from Joann some time ago. And I'm going to go ahead and run it down the center first. Or close to the center. That's just very crooked, probably. But and then fill it in. Get as close to the edge as possible. Okay, so before I take this last one off, I'm going to go ahead and trim that edge off so that it won't be sticking to my scissors. The tape won't be sticking to the scissors. So then I can just go in here and remove the backing off of this tape. And voila, that looks great. Okay, came out much better than I expected. Wow. And then when you open it, you just see the white on the inside. You don't even see the chipboard cover. I could probably trim up the top and the bottom a little bit, but I think I'm going to just leave it alone. Leave well enough alone. And let's see. Do I want to do the same thing here? I think they shouldn't be the same color. I think one should be different. But I do think maybe I should use the same foil, maybe, because this foil is not bright. I don't know, because this rose gold foil is so pretty. Let's see what it looks like in the notebook. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside of the planner. Okay, so let me go ahead and decide what I'm going to do for the other cover and get it done. Okay, on this one, I'm not sure I like it. It comes across really nice on camera, but in person, it's like the gold and the pink are too close in tone or in depth, maybe. I don't know if that's the right term. So there's not enough contrast between them, but I think I'm just going to roll with it for now. Wow, it really does the slither. Look at that. That's impressive. Okay. Maybe it's okay. Maybe it's okay. Let's take this out. And I noticed that this isn't as gray as the other one, by the way. Let's see. This is more like a brown. Well, I guess this wasn't really gray either, but this one is darker. I really love this cover. I'm going to miss it. But I don't want to do the same thing over again. I guess it looks pretty decent. Okay, so I took a little break, a couple of days, and I did a poll to see if I should cover this weekly Dollar Tree notebook with foil, a foiled cover, or if I should do the washi tape. And the majority rules, so I'm going to be covering it with the foil paper. I've already trimmed off the border around the edge, so let's go on and trim, mark it so I can trim the rest. Someone asked me the last time, why didn't I just flip the paper over on the back side and mark it? And my answer was because I didn't think of it at the time. So Okay, so this is the cover. So let's pop it in and see what she looks like. So there we go. She's all set and ready to go. I think I need to use this R. I just don't know where I want to use it. Maybe I'll put it on the back pocket. Let's do it. Okay. Finally put it down after, I don't know, maybe 2 years. And I need to make a writing board for this so that I can have another pen holder, because I want to keep this pen in here. And yep, so I guess I'm all set to plan. I'm probably going to do something different with the die cuts because it's kind of just a Mod Podge of things all over the place. So, but that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button along with the little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for more exclusive content and digital downloads. So be sure to check out my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, where I do junk journals, live craft videos, and vlogs throughout the week. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!